I'm Kaylee from Solent Youth Action, and today we are talking about the important thing to remember about anger is that it is so normal. You feel angry, your parents feel angry, your teachers feel angry, I feel angry, even the Queen feels angry. It's completely normal to feel angry, but it's really important to know what causes you to feel angry, what that feels like in your body, and also what can help you to calm down so that you can manage your anger better. And hopefully, this video will help a little bit. So when we think about anger, we have to consider all the things that can cause us to feel angry. So these are called triggers. And here are just a few. So being tired makes us angry. Being hungry makes us angry as well. I'm always furious until I've eaten. Being told no sucks. Brothers, sisters, mum, dad, the cats, the dog, teachers, anyone. Like people in general can make us really angry. Losing at a game. Have you ever lost a Fortnite and thrown your controller across the room? I bet you have. Being upset or worried. So sometimes we feel emotions, and rather than sort of get upset, it's much easier to lash out and throw things, because then all of that emotion is sort of expressed in one go. And afterwards, normally we regret it because we've broken something or hurt someone that we care about. But sometimes when you are upset, you just show it as anger instead, because it's easier to be angry than it is to be sad. And what about friends? I don't know about you, but I have not seen my friends for such a long time, and I miss my friends. But also friends can be absolute losers, and they can make you feel really upset. So they can do things, they can exclude you from something, like a party on a game or something, and that can make you mad as well, because your friends are supposed to make you happy, but sometimes they don't. Are there other things on that list that I've missed out? I bet there's loads. I bet you can think of loads of things that make you unhappy, make you angry, that are your triggers. What are they? Have a think. So here I am with my friend Phil. Hey Phil. Phil looks pretty angry. Let's go and look. Oh, what's that, Phil? What's that cloud on your head? Are you feeling foggy? Are you unable to think straight? And you're sweating. What's that? Your teeth are clenched. Swearing at me. So rude. Oh, but your heart seems to be beating very, very fast. Can you feel it almost beating out of your chest? What's that? Those wiggles. You must be shaking. Oh, what's that down there? Oh. You've clenched your fists. That's because you look like you're going to punch someone or kick them or throw something. You need to take a chill pill, Phil. Seriously. So Phil didn't need a chill pill. He just needs to do some things that help to make him happy and that help to calm him down, which included sunshine. Listening to music. Breathing. Playing some music. Ooh. Reading a good book. I lick your nose. I lick your nose again. I drag my claws down your eyelids. Oh, you're up. Feed me. Going for a run. If you have one of our happy kits, you will also have one of these anger management cards, which tells you all about how to manage anger. Some of the activities that I've done today have been in here. So if you decided that the way that I've done the activities has been completely rubbish, you can do it yourself. See? Thanks for watching.